Fluent English Practice. Hello, lovely learners. Welcome back to Fluent English Practice. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy you are here today. We have a fun and very useful lesson for you.
Yes, in today's video, we will practice talking about daily routines in English.
But not just any practice. We will use our special method, Reverse Role English Practice. This means you will listen first, repeat, and finally explain the phrases to someone else. Teaching is the best way to remember.
So, keep listening until the end because we will explain every key phrase for you. Are you ready?
Let's get started.
Hey John, what time do you usually get up in the morning?
Hi, Emma. I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. What about you?
I get up a bit later, at 7 o'clock. Not too early, not too late.
That's a good time. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
First, I turn off my alarm, stretch my arms, and open the window. Fresh air wakes me up.
Nice. I go to the bathroom to wash my face right after getting out of bed.
I do that too. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Same here. After my shower, I put on my clothes. Choosing what to wear is always the hardest part.
I usually wear something simple, jeans and a t-shirt. What do you have for breakfast?
I like eggs and toast with a big cup of coffee.
That sounds good. I eat cereal with milk, and sometimes I drink orange juice.
Breakfast is important. After eating, I check my phone and read some news.
I also check my messages before leaving home. Going to work.
So, Emma, how do you usually get to work?
I take the bus most days. On the bus, I listen to music or an English podcast.
That's smart. I walk to work because my office is only 10 minutes away.
Walking is healthy. When you arrive, what's the first thing you do?
I greet my coworkers, then turn on my computer and start checking my emails.
I make a cup of tea before starting my tasks. It helps me focus. Lunchtime and afternoon. What time do you normally have lunch, John?
Around 12:30, but sometimes later if I'm busy.
I try not to skip lunch because it gives me energy. What do you usually eat?
I often bring food from home, like a sandwich, some fruit, and water.
That's healthy. I usually buy something simple, maybe rice with chicken.
Do you eat alone or with colleagues?
I eat with coworkers. We chat and relax together.
After lunch, I sometimes take a short walk outside. It feels good to move.
Fresh air helps. Then, I return to work and continue my tasks. Evening after work. What time do you finish work?
Usually at 5 p.m. You?
Same here. After finishing, I shut down my computer and tidy my desk.
Good habit. I take the bus home and sometimes stop at a store to buy groceries.
I also shop for bread, fruit, or eggs on my way home.
When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes and rest.
Me too. I like to sit on the sofa and just relax for a while. Evening activities.
Emma, what do you usually do in the evening?
I relax by watching a show or reading a book. You?
I sometimes play games or watch videos online.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Sometimes I cook pasta. If I'm tired, I order food.
I enjoy cooking. It helps me unwind after a long day.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't like leaving them overnight.
Same here. Later, I call my parents or chat with friends online.
That's nice. I sometimes study English or watch a movie with subtitles.
Bedtime routine. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30. I try not to sleep too late.
I go to bed around 11. Before that, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
I do the same. Then I change into my pajamas and sometimes read a book.
Do you use your phone before bed?
Only a little. I prefer listening to calm music.
Good choice. Using the phone too much makes it harder to sleep. Great job listening to Emma and John. Now, let's explain some of the phrases they used.
First, wake up means your eyes open and you stop sleeping. Get up means you actually leave the bed.
Brush my teeth is what you do with a toothbrush to clean your teeth.
Take a shower means washing your body under running water.
Pack my bag means you put your things into a bag before leaving home.
Head to work means you start going to your job.
Grab something simple to wear means you choose clothes quickly without much thought.
And tidy my desk means you clean and organize your work table.
Now it's time for reverse role English practice. Repeat the phrases aloud, then explain them to a friend or even to yourself. Teaching the words will make you remember better.
Let's go through the whole phrases used in daily routine.
I wake up at 7. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I leave the house. I take the bus to work. I listen to music on the way. I greet my coworkers. I check my emails. I start working. I eat lunch at 12:30. I bring food from home. I take a short walk. I continue working. I finish work at 5. I take the bus home. I buy groceries. I rest when I get home. I watch a show in the evening. I cook dinner. I wash the dishes. I call my parents. I study English at night. I go to bed at 10:30. I brush my teeth before bed. I wear pajamas. I read or listen to music. I turn off the lights.
Amazing! You can now describe your daily routine in clear English.
Write about your own daily routine in the comments. Practice speaking it out loud.
And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for learning with us. Keep practicing and see you in the next episode of Fluent English Practice. Bye.